skin and how Old Spice Total Body isn't on it.
Gabby, is there anything you want to share?
Not this Old Spice deodorant. It's 24/7 freshness. It can go everywhere.
Everywhere.
Refill?
Blizzard warning in effect from 4 a.m. Monday to 6 p.m. Washington Daylight Time Tuesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 7 inches. Winds will gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Northern Plush City County. When? From 4 a.m. Monday to 6 p.m. Washington Daylight Time Tuesday. Impact. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. Severe blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. Strong winds could cause tree damage and power outages. Cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 3 to 12 minutes. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.